Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandy Giz, and I'm on your screen to share with you all an unboxing from a company that reached out to me and wanted me to share their product. It is from, the address is on the other side, but it is from Kaleido. I hope I'm saying that right, pronouncing it right. It's Kaleido, and it's cordless. It's a cordless vacuum cleaner. It's easy, clean every corner, and this is the box that it came in. So without further ado, I am about to do an unboxing, so come along. So I just put this on and I'm about to extend it so that I'm going to sit it on the floor so that, okay, and okay, now I charged up the battery. I just wanted to show you that I had the battery on charge. You probably can see that it's charging up. I'm going to take out the plug because it's enough charge for me to do this little area rug. I just want to show you guys. And you just snap it on. Like so. And everything snaps in place. This is the battery indicator right here. You probably can't see it because it's not on. You can also charge it up at the top. There's a little insert right here for you guys. And then we have a dust cup release button. So I'm going to see how this bad boy works on the floor, on this little area rug. Okay, so I'm just going to press down and turn on. Alrighty guys, so I just did a demonstration of how that vacuum worked. It worked really good. I liked it because it got the area rug clean. And I see a lot of debris that it picked up, and I couldn't even see it with my naked eye, but it pulled up a lot of debris. So this cordless vacuum is the business, y'all. It really is. Okay, so you see me install it, so I put everything together. It was easy to put together. You don't need like a handyman or, you know, some kind of man. If you're a woman, you could do it. It's really simple. If I could do it, you could do it. So it was easy. I like the fact, let me bring it closer. And I like the fact that it's really nice and sleek. It's a nice gray color, and you have a speed. I'm gonna turn it on. And you have different speeds. And you just press this button like a gun, and it turns it right off. And now this is so compact that it fits like right in the. I like the fact that it's sleek, it's gray, and it's like the modern look. It's a really nice product, and it is well made. Yeah, it's well made. And let me tell you something, I just did this little area rug, and I saw a few little pieces on the floor that I was, you know, I'm able to vacuum up. But I gotta say that a lot of debris came off of this rug just by this suctioning. This works really well, this vacuum. This cordless vacuum is the business. The fact that you can just put it in a corner and hide it. It's out the way. It's not big and bulky like the one that I currently have. I like the fact that you just pushed it one button and it comes right on. You can hit this button for speed. That's so cool. And you can turn it off. You're gonna see all the debris inside of this little suction cup. I don't want to do a close-up because it is not cute. It's a lot of like length. Yeah, so I'm gonna put it right here in the corner. See? And I don't mind it being right there for a time being. But this was really, like I said, easy installation. I was able to put it together with no problem. And with this mini motorized brush, you can use for like if you're doing your carpet on your steps, or like in small areas trying to get underneath like maybe your bed or whatever the case may be. But it does swivel a little bit, so it gives you that leverage to go under the bed and, you know, just be able to get in places that you normally can't. And on the vacuum, I like it because it has that garbage cleaning. It's like a helper filter, and it tells you when it's full. It'll show like a red if the dustpan or the dustbin is full. So I really like that. And the roller brush, it just rolls around and it just picks up everything. I didn't at first think that it would pick up a lot, but it did. It picked up stuff that I didn't even know that was on this rug. Okay, there are 3 settings to the vacuum, which is high, medium, or middle, and low. The high, you get 14 minutes of battery life, and the low, you'll get 40 minutes of battery life. So you just keep it plugged up. And I didn't have it fully charged, but I just wanted to show you, demonstrate to you how it works. So the question you might ask is, do I have to just use it on carpet? No, you can use it on carpet, marble, tile. You can use it on hardwood floors, as well as vacuuming up larger pieces of dirt and debris. It will come up. FYI, you can wash the mini roller brush. You can wash this. Make sure you air dry it within 24 hours. And you can also wash the floor brush as well, which is the base. I really like this product. I'm so grateful that they sent me this product. I want to thank again Kaleido for sending me this here product to share with you all. This will help people who have pets. Okay, if you have pets, it'll pick up all that pet hair and pet dander and whatnot. So you might want to invest in that because they are here for you. Okay, so again, I want to thank Kaleido for sending me this here product. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. I will list everything down in the description section of the video, and you can save. If there's coupon codes or links, it'll be all down in the description section of the video. All right, let me know that you enjoyed this here video. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, God bless. Bye, y'all.